Yo, yo, yo. Stone, what's up? Wood Chip, what's going on, buddy? Ah, thanks, Wood Chip. Trying. Very exciting. I got my Take Profit Trader code. If you guys use Take Profit Trader, you can use code PINE, all caps. Pretty easy. From dusk till dawn, sir. Party animal, yeah. Feels like it. I'm a little tired. Tomorrow I'll take tomorrow off. You know how I do on Fridays. Exclamation point PINE in the chat, guys. Thank you for the 1,000 subs. I know you two very loyal. Been here since pretty much the beginning, so appreciate you guys. Hey, Methodical in the house. What's going on? Feels like yesterday I was at 65 subs, I know. It grew really fast. Hey, Trades with Jess. What's happening? Oh, thank you, Jess. Pretty crazy, actually. Get to that milestone. It's insane. We tweet out this stream here. Hope you guys shorted last night. So I made 8,000 in the Take Profit Tradeify straight to funded account, 150K. I picked one up. Yeah, I made 8,000. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. Alright, I tweeted it out. Let me pull it up. So yeah, so with 20% consistency, I'm gonna have to build that account up big time, but that's okay. I took just a few trades. Essentially, I caught two 200-point runners with 2 contracts, so 400 points total. Yeah, that consistency, exactly. I couldn't help it. I was like, well, I'll just try to build it up as much as possible. It's kind of something I've been trying to do, Jess, is not really worried about the consistency as much, and then just build it up as much as I can. And if I build it up really nicely, like on day 1, then I don't have to worry about I can just use the daily loss limit, like a personal daily loss limit, or My Funded Future like has that $1,200 daily loss limit on the 50K, and then that way it like saves the account, you know, saves me from me. And I'm really trying to like keep my winning days much larger than my losing days. So it's kind of what I've been doing lately. I'm ultimate about 1,000, 1,200, anywhere between a 1,200 to like 1,500 on the Apex accounts, 4 Apex accounts I got. So a pretty good deal. Thank you, QQ. Yo, Jim. Yeah, 100 plus new subs in 24 hours, I know. You gonna hop on the charge chest? Nice. Oh, nice hot shot. Good for you, man. Negative 500. Honest take. What's going on? Yeah, it's okay. Negative 500 in this market is not bad. So yeah, you can see right here. Picked up this straight to funded account today, 150K. Brought it to 8,281. Yeah, so, and then this funded account here, this growth 50K, this is the one that I'm trading micros on. One strat, one trade a day. So yeah. Very excited that I have a Take Profit Trader code after trying for 5 times. They denied me. I finally have my own code now. No offense to Terry Trades 100, but you know, if you want to use her code, perfectly fine with that too. But yeah, so I have a new code. It's code PINE, P-I-N-E, all caps, Take Profit Trader. So appreciate the support, guys. You having a great day, Stone? All right, man. Oh, Rake Trades talked about the idea to start trade big and trade as normally as he does. Yeah, so I kind of got the idea trades with Jess from Terry, with her My Funded Future account. To be honest with you, I'll show you. Hey, what's going on? Trading with Travis in the house. Yeah, right here. Terry made a tweet right here. I just love this tweet. So she has this 50K My Funded Future account up to 62,630, and has already gotten a $1,200 payout. And you can see there's like her equity curve. Like she got daily loss limit, which is like $1,200 or something like that. But then the next day she'll make like 1,800. And it might hit daily loss limit, and then it looks like she hit it twice here. But like it's still like creeping up, you know. And that's kind of how I got the idea. And if like the market's red hot, then you know. Hey Sherry, what's going on? Any flash discounts? No, but you can use Pine for Take Profit Trader. for no activation fee. All caps. Oh, doing some laundry, doing some chores, Jess. Hey, thank you, Eric. What's the deal with Take Profit Trader? I don't know. I don't know what you mean. Honest take. 30% off. No consistency. I mean, no consistency. No activation fee. $119 all in. Get paid on day one. Once you're funded. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. Market is open. Market is open. Okay. So I do have this take profit eval. Couple of evals. This one I have to flip. I'm not gonna flip it right now. I'll flip it later tonight. This one I do have passed. I'm still waiting on my pro account. I did request $4,000 from Take Profit Trader today. So hopefully I get paid in that, and then hopefully they can get my pro account set up. Inside bar on the daily? Oof. Cranston, yeah. But yeah, honest take, to be honest take, Take Profit Trader Pro accounts is one of the closest accounts that to me feels like a real account, you know? Like it feels like a personal account when I trade it. Yeah, QQ. So pretty much every night at 6 p.m. I'm here. Yep. Use code PINE. Trades with Jess. Thank you. Oh, I appreciate you, Jess. Keegan, what's happening? Visible ID. Trading with Travis is in the house. Trades with Jess is in the house. Two big YouTubers. Honest Take is in the house. He's a YouTuber too. Not a trading YouTuber, but he's a big YouTuber. Not a trading YouTuber yet. I don't know. Someone in my chat told me Trades with Jess that Pro Plus usually around a week, but I've heard that they are a little bit backlogged. So yeah, Travis is about 2 days, but yeah, they're a little backlogged, I heard. So hopefully soon. Gotta get a payout. Honest Take, nice. Everyone seems to be waiting on the email reply to GPT. There's something going on there and dragging their feet. Games and missed. Yeah, I heard that too. I shot like there's a little bit delayed. I didn't have any delays with activations with any evals or anything like that, but exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. If you want to join the giveaway, we'll run it at 8 p.m. Eastern time. I haven't really paid attention to the market this afternoon. I ended up catching some of this dump on the Apex accounts. I think it was up around 1,200 to 1,500 on the PA accounts, and I did blow a My Funded Future Starter Plus account, and that was before the market opened. And yeah, I ended up getting a I passed 2 of my Funded Future starter accounts today, and ended up getting a straight to funded Tradeify, 150K, and took that to the cleaners for 8,200 bucks. So I'm gonna have to build that account up, but I don't really know what their path to live is, but I'm kind of hoping that maybe, you know, I just build that up. Trade with Vince in the house. What's going on, Vince? Blew a take profit and funded Beelox early pre-market. Sherry. Oh yeah, that's when I blew it too, just pre-market. Yeah, this market is very dangerous, guys, for sure. Not a bad opening. Oh, not a bad opening range so far. Do we have any news tonight? Kind of look at. Oops. Oh, my Facebook. Forex Factory. Any speakers? No Trump speeches. Tomorrow we have PPI and University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment at 10. PPI at 8:30. So tomorrow another big news day. Should be interesting. More Fed speakers tomorrow as well. Complex DNA. I always use the gray button to close out. Smashed a long at open. Tried to close with a sell, but my trade of 8 lagged. Spam clicked and they got filled a lot and blew up. Oh, complex. Yeah, I was having some issues too with some lag. But yeah, I've definitely been there. Cause you kind of panic and you start clicking. I know, Travis. Imagine that. But yeah, if you guys use my code PINE for TPT, Take Profit Trader, let me know if it works. I'm curious to see if it even works. Hey, JC Trades, what's happening? I battled P&L pickleball today, went down, got back, went down bigger, got to 100 and down. In my new past Tradeify, I called it scratch and then win today. Oh yeah, tough day. So you kind of roller coastered. So yeah, exclamation point PINE in the chat, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway here at 8 p.m. Cash giveaway. We did one earlier too. For the morning stream, we actually reached 1,000 subs this morning. I actually didn't think we were gonna hit 1,000 subs until maybe the end of the month. So this is pretty crazy. Really appreciate the support, guys. Absolutely amazing. And smash the like button too, if you guys don't mind. 76 watching, 29 likes. Smash that like button. Help that algo out for YouTube. Nice push up here. I am working on a Take Profit Trader eval. We are in turtle markets. Thank you, Donna. Yeah, pretty awesome, Brian. It's a pretty big milestone for YouTube. On to 10,000, right? That's right, Travis. On to 10,000. Be Patrick Whelan in no time. I don't want to be Patrick Whelan. Oh, Trader Jess, I had an acai bowl, or what I like to call an acai bowl, to celebrate. I went and bought a $19 acai bowl from the smoothie shop, and it was delicious. But it was delicious. Yeah, no, not PW. So good. And then I regretted I wanted to put a little scoop of peanut butter on it because I like peanut butter a lot, but I didn't do it. I kind of forgot. I got made fun of when I said acai berries at Whole Foods. Yeah. I know, really overpriced, but see that we don't have many shops up here, so they can get away with it. Like I have to travel probably 30 minutes to get to a smoothie shop. Yeah, it is, Travis, and it's delicious. They blend it up. Right here, Trav. It's delicious. It looks like that. Put some granola on there, some blueberries, banana, some strawberries. So good. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Anything peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I love peanut butter. My smoothie place that shut down used to grind the peanut butter fresh. Oh, that sounds really good, Amelia. You got some frozen packets at Costco? Yeah, I need to start making them myself at the house. You were eating that non-stop in Brazil? It's like partially frozen. It's, really cold, Eric. It's blended. It's kind of like it's like smoothie consistency, but. All right, pushing up here. 554, 18,554. Just take a look at what the market did today. Just a wild day. So crazy. So massive push down. Market opened. We ended up dropping the 9:30 candle was the high of the day. 5-minute candle. We ended up dropping wow, 955 points, approximately. Did I do that right? Yeah. Oh, 950 points from the 9:30 candle. So that was the high of the day. If anyone took an ORB break, boy, that paid. So the first opening range, 5-minute opening range break, you ended up taking that. Wow. Of course, if you held it for 900 something points, then you can only use it 3 times, Fred. My Funded Futures 25% off on starter pluses. I believe it's still going on, but you can use it 3 times per person. What's happening, Fred? Making them at home is much more effective, Jess. Helps get the tummy going too. Yeah, for sure. I eat chocolate protein, tastes like chocolate milk. Got the Costco fish stocks. They are amazing. Blue bags, salmon patties. See, I don't have a Costco near me. I have a Sam's Club, but I don't have a Costco. I don't know where Costco is. Maybe I do. You guys are like, where the heck do you live? Scarborough, so that's all the way down in Portland area, so that's southern Maine for me. It's about 30-40 minutes, maybe 45 minutes away. Hey, Jack of all trades, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. PayPal or Cash App. Do a $30 giveaway here at 8 p.m. Eastern time. I just want to thank you guys for the 1,000 subs. I really appreciate the support, and you guys have been using my codes, and so I want to give some back. Hey, Dan Emmons, what's happening? Yeah, I know you were saying that, Eric. Like, I remember you saying that you live like way out in the sticks. I don't live that far in the sticks, but Rama, New Mexico. Oh yeah, you live in the middle of nowhere. But I bet it's beautiful. Alright, getting a little bit pushed down here. 540s. From 540s, 520s. There's a little Harami candle there, but not very good risk to reward. I just wait for an inside bar or something and trade that. Be a little patient. Don't have my indicator turned on, that Ed of the Woods. So, if you guys are just tuning in, I like to trade Harami candles and inside bars. And Ed of the Woods, one of our subscribers, was nice enough to program a Harami candle indicator for Tradeovate. So there it is. You can see right here. Pretty sweet. No, we still gotta have car insurance with Chip. Yeah, in between. Yeah, I just see that too. Indian reservations. Yeah, saw that on the map. Piano trader in the house. What's going on? The Navajo and the Sunnis. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool, Jess. Yeah, he created a little indicator here. So now it's like I can, you know, when you're trying to stream and trade at the same time and you're trying to watch the patterns and stuff, it just makes it a little bit easier. Just I can just look up real quick and see like one of our patterns being played out. So Chiche is hello, Grandpa. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway. Let's do it. 8 p.m. Eastern. Please be here, or we'll run it again. So if you gotta leave or something, just come back 8 p.m. Eastern. We'll run a moose race. We'll do a moose race, guys. My lady sister has summer house in Portland we go to. Oh, nice. Yeah, Portland's not far. About 35, 40 minutes. Trades by Slade's in the house. What's going on, Slade? Another YouTuber. Guys, check out Trades by Slade on YouTube. He's the one that I kind of was like, I started watching the trend lines on the gold. I like his strat on gold. Hey, thank you, Trades by Slade. Hey, there's Stargazer Lily. What's going on? Is Alfred? XAU is about to crack the all-time highs. What is a moose race, Captain? So have you ever seen Nutty Bar or Cove Trader? They do the duck races. So I do the moose race. The moose race for the giveaway. It's because I'm from Maine and we have moose, and it just seems like that's what I gotta do. This is the moose race right here. So I end up printing all the names in the drawer in the race, and then whoever wins the race wins the drawing. So no dope Moses this time. It's Mises. Yeah, exactly, Alfred. Mooses. Mises. Alright, testing the VWAP here, 510. 18,510. Pretty big spread, pretty large spread too on the NASDAQ. Acts like it's frozen here at the VWAP here. Thinking about taking a bounce here. Lots of room to the downside. Big gap down here, 351 to 398 ish. It's tough to tell. It feels like the market probably gonna wait for the news till tomorrow. We got a massive push down here over almost 1,000 points, and then ended up from the highs, 1,000 points from the highs of today, and ended up pushing up big time in the afternoon. I missed it all pretty much. I had traded when I got off stream this morning. I traded for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and then went for a hike in the woods, and went and got me an acai bowl, and just took it easy. Made some posts. Hey, thank you for the sub. Versetti. Prod, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Oh, David Persetti. Sorry, I didn't see the full thing. So I started trading. I got interested in stocks and things probably like 15 years ago. I was doing a lot of swing trading stocks. And then futures I got into in 2021. I started trading futures. Alright, pushing below that VWAP. Not really liking any of these setups. I kind of like this one here, but I didn't take it. I wasn't paying attention. But even that's still a little slow. Wait for a little inside bar or something. Maybe look to take that. Yeah, nice push up here for the first candle, 6 p.m. And then it's kind of just stalled out here. Could be bull flagging a bit. So this is an eval, take profit trader. Don't follow my trades, guys, if you guys are new subs or whatever. I tend to trade my evals pretty aggressively. I'm gonna take the long here. For the stream. XAU rejected. You started in Cranston. You started in 2019, 2019 and 20. Trading. Oh, Forex. You come from Forex. Nice. Yeah. Eric Lake trades Forex too. There's a bunch of Forex people actually. The VWAP setting, so if you go to community indicators and look for CEVWAP, this is the one I use, CEVWAP. Should I full send the static tomorrow? Stone, I don't know. Working on day 2, start a plus. Nice, Coach Fred. Spreads are bad, periodic trader. Spreads are bad. And I tend to mark it in a lot too. My thinking here is we're kind of breaking this flag pattern. It's bullish flag pattern. Kind of see here. Here's a flag. Ish. But yeah, we'll see. If we don't hold the VWAP here, we'll get smoked. Doesn't appear like it wants to hold. You long with chip? Nice. Yeah, playing games for sure. Like funded accounts and stuff, I tend to look at that stuff. There's a nice push there. There we go. Oh, missed me by a tick there. I take profit. Yeah, we'll take it off there for 415 bucks. You know, guys, my course today only is $99. I too will teach you how to trade bull and bear flags. 99 bucks. Such a good deal. I'm just joking, by the way. Totally joking. Such a steal, Alfred. Such a steal. Yeah, yes. Yeah, I was just joking, guys. Yeah, that was a good little trade, though. So I kind of been seeing that a lot with the haramis. Kind of get a sweep. Like, you put it in the harami, you sweep the low, come back, and take out the opposite side. And then, so that was like check one. And then, it's kind of a very ugly flag pattern. And then it's just holding the VWAP. And that's basically all I was thinking. Besides that, everything's random. But yeah, what a bullish candle there. Rip higher. Yeah, you're probably not getting much for $99. Yeah, $2.99 probably better. Monopoly money. I'll take Cole's Cash. You guys got Cole's Cash? Cole's Cash works. I need some new shorts for the summer. Not financial advice, but it's a steal at $99. Yeah, for sure. It's starting to get dark in here. I gotta turn on my light. I got a Jared card. Yes, only $99. You can fire your 9-to-5 boss. That's a good catchphrase. Chuck E. Cheese tokens? Do we even have a Chuck E. Cheese? Because arcade, I remember when I was a kid, was called the Dream Machine. Hey, Banana Jeffrey, thank you for the sub. Oh, Home Depot credit? Yeah, I'll take Home Depot credit any day. You get Sears and Roblox? Yeah. Alright, massive push up here. Pretty bullish candle off the VWAP. 462s. 562s, I mean. Continuing to push higher. Could possibly take out the 571, 574, 606. These untested wicks up here. Also have some room to the downside. 398, 351 on the short side. For the gap, the big gap. Boy, that inside bar paid well. I think this was... Oh yeah, this one, this Harami right here. I was talking to Methodical Man. Maybe he's still on here. I think this is the one he was talking about. I was driving, so I couldn't really see the chart. But I think this is the one he was talking about that I didn't tell him to take. I'm pretty sure it was, because this is a massive bearish candle. Let's take a look at YM, see what YM's doing. Kind of slow. Alright, let's take a look at gold. Sometimes you'll see me place a gold trade too for the turtle markets. That's the NASDAQ is a little slow. Hey, Big Cat Futures, what's going on? My course is BOGO sale. Buy one for 69, the second one you get for 69 cents. Full tilt futures, nice. Trade the action, Cranston, 100%. I usually try not even have a bias when I go in, when I sit down at the screens. If I have a bias too much, I end up getting burned. Sometimes it's impossible not to have a bias, but yeah, I'm just trying to. I read bar to bar. Literally, I'm trying to read bar to bar, and that's kind of my style. But yeah. Absolutely, Raven 6. I'm a completely open book, guys. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can say it in the chat. If I don't like it, I'll probably just ignore you. But yeah, complete open book. Not too much will offend me. I've only had to ban one person since we've started. Woodchip's been close. I've had to ban Hammer on his name a few times, but no. Trend lines. Let me answer this question. Eric Lake, is price action the best way to play futures? So that's just kind of the way I trade, Eric. I just look for very simple stuff. As you see, my charts are pretty naked. I have the initial balance high and low. I have the inside bars here on the 5-minute chart. And I also trade these inside haramis here. They're pink. And that's basically what I look for. I look for VWAP bounces, breaks of initial balance highs and lows, breaks and retests. Yeah, and sometimes I'm just trading on momentum of a candle, to be fully honest. I'll trade just a moment, like these sides of these candles, I'll trade just a momentum of that candle. Like look for cheap trades. Like if this candle opened down here, I might take a long, place a stop below, and see if I can catch some points to the upside. Things like that. Some of my stuff is very discretionary, I'm not gonna lie. Woodchip's the man. Raven 6. Trend lines and the uses of them in trading BS is this thing with bearish bullish flags, a real thing or just BS? Well, I kind of just showed you. I also, here's a good example. So the best thing like to do, Raven 6, and I know like when you're new it's really hard. You know, people strategy hop, and there's people in here that trade ICT. There's people in here that trade inside bars like me, harami candles. So here's a good example. So this was like a really good setup for me. This was a few months ago, but very bearish. Started to push up, started putting in this flag pattern, put in an inside bar, and I ended up taking a short break off this inside bar and this trend line flag break, right? So that's what I look for. This was like, people want to say A+ setup, you know, I don't know if I care for that term much, but like to me, like this is like, I'm like going in on this trade. This was like a picture perfect trade. Does this happen all the time? No. But when I see something like this, so it's like two in one strategies for me. Like I will take that all day long. So yeah. But it's tough. Like people, you know, it's tough when you're new, you're looking for an edge, but not financial advice, but like if you find an edge, and I don't care what it is, and back test it and see it as profitable, the best thing you can do is just stick with that edge and don't stray from it as best as you can. And the rest, all psychological. It's all about, like, you know. Tai Chung, these are inside bars. So these are inside bars right here. So on a 5 minute, these are inside bars. So like this one's a really good example. What I do is I take the break, the inside bar, and you see this rocketed up, and then I place the stop below, or vice versa. So I place a stop on the opposite end. It's just part of my strategy. It's not, I don't trade every one. I don't, you know, it's just kind of helps me look for setups, and super simple for beginners. We are pushing higher, 582s now. Probably should have been nice to have kept the runner on that trade, but that's all right. I'm from Eric Lake. Tom Hugard book, Best Loser Wins. The shorter wicks, meaning that the buyers are getting weaker. I don't, to be honest with you, I don't pay much attention to that Raven 6. Don't really know. I try to know as little as possible when I place a trade. Paralysis by overanalysis can be a real thing. You know, I'm a big reader of like Mark Douglas, Trader Tom Hugard, Dr. David Paul, these types of people, and you kind of realize that the market is random. You know, the market's very random. We have random news events, things like that. Prime example is one day for an experiment, for more of a psychological exercise, I flipped a coin at open with the ES on a demo account. I flipped the coin. Heads I went long, tails I went short. I had a bracket order, say, of like 5-point take profit, 5-point stop loss, something like that. I don't quite remember. And flipped the coin. And every time that trade ended, whether it was take profit or stop loss, I'd flip it again. And I did it for the first hour of the day. It made like $2,700. You know, so it's about controlling your emotions and what you do after you push the button to get into a trade. And like that's the main thing. So yeah, find an edge. I don't care if it's not ICT or Ichimoku clouds or, you know, Heikin-Ashi candles like trading with Travis. The dude slays. I can't trade it. Heikin-Ashi candles. I can't do it. The dude slays every single day. How do you get the inside bar indicator? Okay, so inside bar indicator right here. LDT inside outside bars in the community indicators, and then I just have mine painted gold or yellow, and then I have the outside bars clicked off because I don't want those. But I'm trading a lot of things. I have it working amazing Forex. Now just trying to find what works, like switching EMAs. Yeah, I've been there. I also trade another setup too, guys. Methodical Man come up with this strat, so you'll see me scalp this sometimes during the day. It's just a 9, 21, and a 50 crossover on the 1 minute chart, and I trade it during New York sometimes for like 10-point scalp, and basically it's just a 9 retests after it crosses over, and then I take it for 10 points. I'll trade that sometimes too. When it breaks to the upside, should we use Fibonacci extensions? So that's something, Eric, that I kind of been working on myself, is looking for targets. So kind of like I said earlier, like when we were in this, I said the upside targets could be, you know, here for 574, or this untested wick up here at, I can't really see it that good, 605.50. And this is stuff that I've kind of learned from Methodical Man for looking for upside wicks and stuff. But if you want to use Fibonacci's and stuff to look for targets, it's perfectly fine. I need to get better at that. That's one of my weaknesses, is looking for targets on runners. Yeah, that's something that I'm improving myself. Another 1 minute fair value gap, break to the high, often no restart, which yeah, nice retests, yeah. Oh, thank you, Trading with Travis. Yeah, those books and Mark Douglas, and yeah, for sure. So back there on my, that's what I got on my bookshelf currently. These are the books that helped me the most. Now, I'm not a very good reader. I know it's a shock by my speech, but so Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, love that book. One of my favorites. Best Loser Wins. I just picked up this one by Mark Douglas. I haven't even opened it yet. Disciplined Trader. And then, believe it or not, this one's helped me out with my anxieties and fears of trading, and then in life itself. The Power of Now, one of my favorite books. Yeah, I recommend all those books. Great books. Yes, I love listening to the seminars. That's how I absorb information the best, is through video and audio for myself. Just kind of how I learn. So any of the if you just Google, like on YouTube, Tom Hugard, like speeches, things like that. It's just really good stuff. I don't really care about the direction of the inside bar, Big Cat. I mean, usually I'm looking for a draw of some sorts. And I tend to like more of a reversal off the inside bar break, like this. Like this one right here. Wrong button. So like that inside bar there. So that was, more of a reversal. So I tend to like those a little better than these, where it's already pushing up and then you get a break to the upside. And so, yeah. I tend to look for the reversals, if that makes sense. Trading with Travis, I like the Momo candles. Yes, I do trade on momentum a lot, for sure. I look for momentum. Cranston, yes, Dylan, you can trade evals during Asia. Yes, absolutely. The only thing with Take Profit Trader is that you make sure you have all your orders closed at the end of the day by 5 p.m. Eastern time. It is a hard breach and you will lose your account if you leave any open orders on. But yes, use code PINE if you guys are using Take Profit Trader. I just got the code today. I had some help from Trading with Travis and ended up writing him a letter. Also, Methodical Man ended up writing him a letter. Two awesome YouTubers. And Terry Trades 100 actually wrote to them too for me. So I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel and helping me get those codes. And I appreciate that. I enjoy ICT's OTE fib entries, Cranston. Yeah. So, yeah, and that's the thing is like if you trade ICT and you can yank money out of this market on a consistent basis, I'm all for it. Getting the test here of the VWAP. We've taken one trade tonight for about 20 points. Kind of waiting to see if another setup happens. I haven't had one inside bar tonight to trade. I usually take the first inside bar of the session as like a more mechanical, like a 1-to-1, but it hasn't happened yet, so it makes me a little scary to take it. Wood chip took 58 long, stop now 68. Really liking Trade of 8. Yeah, I've always used Trade of 8. Just when I started trading Trade of 8. You're reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Kramer. Oh, nice. Eric Lake. Same range as yesterday's open. That's interesting showing. Playing the 3-bar, Cranston. Hot shot, stop loss hit, 72, 2 NQ, oh well. 1850, dinner time, peace. Alright, hot shot, take it easy, man. Alright, I'm caught up on the chat. I listen to all the audiobooks on YouTube. Yes, I love audiobooks too, Travis. It's how I absorb most, most information. Oh, appreciate you, Eric Lake. Open orders versus open positions. Everything has to be flat, I believe, Yo Jim. Yeah, you have to have open orders and open positions off. Take profit trader. Oh yeah, Linda Raschke too. Raschke. So I just became more familiar with Linda Raschke, and I want to check out some more of her stuff too. She seems like a savage trader. First time I saw her was on that movie Floored, that little documentary. Coach Fred starting a trade day eval, so yeah, I've been thinking about getting the trade day too, Coach Fred. I used to be funded with them back in the day. Trade day. Stargazer, until 8 o'clock. It's alright. Hey, if you win the giveaway, Stargazer, I'll hit you up on the DM, alright? I got you on the Discord, so. She was on podcast a couple weeks ago. Oh, nice, Coach Fred. So yeah, I listened to some podcasts too, trading podcasts. Trader Mindset, I really like that podcast. Getting another bounce off the VWAP. The VWAP's been pretty strong the last few nights. It's been really holding as support and resistance. I know the VWAP's fake, but lately it's been acting pretty big as support and resistance. Yeah, I've heard that they might. Yeah, I've heard rumors of that too. Trading with Travis, consistency rule on their funded accounts. That's not going to be. So I heard they want to go 1 day pass, and then have a consistency rule on their accounts. I don't know. I don't think I like that. Because TopStep's one of the only firms that I feel like when you're when you're trading with them, it's just like you can trade them how you want, you know. You don't have to really worry too much. You can really push your winning trades, things like that. Design Knob, also listen to watch 2 YouTube vids from Tom Dante while working as a trader. Yeah, I've actually heard of him. Alright, Hot Shot. Have a good dinner. All right, Travis. Peace out. Thanks for stopping in, Trav. Hey, another big YouTuber in the house. Stock Tiger in the house. Mr. Karaoke. Yeah, right, playing games. I hear you there. Top Step's probably getting smoked with that volatility, yeah. It's kind of why I ended up taking Tradeify for 8,000 today. I wish it was on a pro account. Take Profit Pro account, that would be awesome. Yeah, Stock Tiger in the house, king of the Asia session. That's right, Alfred. I am the prince. I didn't call myself the prince. Someone else did. Stock Tiger is the king of the Asia session. $548s, 50s here. Taking one trade tonight off this little flag break VWAP bounce for 20 points. And yeah, pushing down now. Do we try for another VWAP bounce? It's a little scary to me. Feels like we might be rolling over. It's a little scary for me. No reason to trade Top Step. They just like Tradeify. Yeah, exactly, Brian. And Top Step's expensive, guys. It's cost you what, $200 all in on a 50K. But you can get a Take Profit Trader right now for $119, 50K all in, and get paid on day one once funded. Daily payouts, guys. I know Stock Tiger, Travis, Alfred, myself have been absolutely slaying the Take Profit Traders payouts. So Pine is king, not me. He's the #1 day trader on YouTube. Appreciate you, Stock Tiger. Yes, I agree with you, Travis. That's why I couldn't close out my Tradeify today. Took it for 200 points one way, and then I took it for 200 points the other way on with 2 contracts, and I was like, I'm not gonna close out these trades. I had like 0 drawdown on them, but now I got to deal with that 20% consistency. But that's okay because we got a nice buffer now, nice bit of drawdown. So just gonna try to build it up over time, you know. Hopefully I don't blow it, but you know, if I blow it, I blow it. But it was a kind of an expensive account. It was a straight to funded account. Zabak the Prince. Yes, Alfred is a savage. Take Profit Trader. Daily payouts, guys. I'll show you my payouts right here. You guys are just tuning in. I'm not a savage like some people in the chat, but they were my kryptonite for the longest time. And the last 2 months, here's my payouts. I just requested $4,000 today, so I should have another 4,000 added to this. But yeah, I mean, since February, well actually since January, so January, pretty much every week these daily payouts, and they really add up. So I'm gonna stay on the TPT train till they well, they're probably gonna force me to. They did force me to Pro Plus. I'm waiting on my Pro Plus account now. I imagine my other pros, if I keep doing this, they're gonna do what they did to me and to Alfred and Travis, where they force you to Pro Plus every time or something like that, or force the money into Pro Plus. So yeah, very nice. Pay yourself every day. All right, breaking below the VWAP here, really pushing down here. Testing at 18,500. Good thing we didn't try for that VWAP bounce. Hey Eddie, what's going on? Oops. Oh, thank you, Alfred. Eddie in the house. Do you use copy trader? No, I do not copy trade Captain USA. Only within the prop firms sometimes. But lately I haven't been. I didn't even do it with Apex today. I had 4 new Apex PAs and I didn't copy trade them. So we're really gonna push down here. 480s, testing that session low at 464s. All right, Stargazer, I'm glad you stopped in. Good to see you. Long time no see. You got to pay out the last 7 weeks. Take profit trader, Alfred. That's so awesome. Oh, more Trump tariff talks, huh? That's what's dumping the market. Oh, you're about to lose power too, storming. All right. Yeah, the movement is pretty good, Travis. I haven't been paying much. I apologize, guys. I haven't been doing much trading tonight. A little distracted with the 1K subs, the giveaways in the chat, guys. Really appreciate the support. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys are just tuning in. I'm gonna do a cash giveaway here in 1 hour, 8 p.m. Thank you, Stock Tiger. Really appreciate it. 1K subs is amazing. Appreciate that. All right, pushing back up here. Take a look at the 1 minute here. Interesting to take maybe a 9 touch. Should be right back up here to the VWAP. Pretty nice spread on the. So methodical back tested this. He looked for a nice 10-point spread on the 9 touch push down. It's basically just a pullback strat. Hey, Stock Tiger, thank you for the memberships. Let's give it up for Stock Tiger. Let's go over and subscribe to Stock Tiger. He trades after I do. The Asia markets. So when I get off, usually 8 p.m. Eastern time, Stock Tiger is on, and then he'll trade to like 10, 11 o'clock at night Eastern time, and you'll see me in his chat all the time, hanging out. It's how I decompress. Stock Tiger is flexing. Appreciate the support, Stock Tiger. Nice. Hey, thank you for the sub, Phantom Frame. If you guys subbed and I missed you guys, I'm sorry about that. Appreciate it. Hey, CC, how to trade my own capital. So yeah, so I stopped. I've been trading my E-Trade account. If you guys have been following me. Hey, Alfred. And I recently jumped in and got fully invested in that right now because I got a Pro Plus coming, so which just goes on the live markets. So hey, Trades by Slade. I watched after the stream last night. He's another good streamer. He is. He's the man. And he makes me laugh. Thank you, Alfred, so much for the support. 5 more memberships. Appreciate that, Alfred. So good, guys. Really appreciate the love. Yeah, I started to get paid when I started my channel, Coach Fred. That's exactly it. You guys have been good luck with my Take Profit Trader. Hey, Cal Biscay. Biscay. How many funded accounts do I have right now? Let's see. 2 Tradeifys. 1 Take Profit Pro Plus account, which is the live account. Actually, so 2 Take Profit. So let's see. 2 Take Profit traders. 4 Apex accounts. 3 My Funded Futures funded accounts. And I'm currently working on a Top Step account. Hopefully I'll get another XFA for them soon. And I feel like I'm forgetting one. Oh, Beelanox accounts. I don't have any right now, Beelanox. I'm waiting on a rebuild with Beelanox to get a sale going. Let's see what I got. Beelanox. So yeah, that's how many I got. Well, the 9-touch failed big time. So that's the 9-touch I look for. Jay, that failed big time. Kind of looks like it wants to push back up though. Yeah, that's the thing, Captain USA. So yeah, the reason I started streaming this is for, you know, because a lot of people, this is what the time, a lot of guys work full time 9 to 5, and this is the time they get to trade, and which is totally awesome. That's the best thing about futures. You can trade it 23 hours a day. And so yeah, this is why I ended up hopping on this stream. Inspired by Stock Tiger and also 0 Day J when he started streaming those off hours. Like, that's why I ended up I said I gotta find a time slot that no one else is streaming, because I stream in the morning too, New York session. If you guys check me out in the morning, but you know, there's so many other big streamers on that I just have my loyal peeps, but which is awesome. What would you recommend on capital prop firm? So if you're just starting out with futures, a CC, personally, prop firms all day. I lost like $20,000 trading my own personal account when I first started, before I even touched a prop firm. And you know, so the best thing about prop firms, it's the rules and stuff, you got to deal with them, but if you can get payouts from the prop firms and then fund your own personal account with the payouts, then you're gonna be way ahead of the game, you know, in my opinion. So it's hard, man. Trading is hard. If you're a new trader and you can jump in a personal account and make money, hey, all power to you. I couldn't. Hey, Stone. Thank you, Stone, for the dono, $9.99. Super chatted. Del Stone in the house. Followed Stone on Twitter. He's got an X account now. Of course, he's promoting Cove Trader stuff on his Twitter, but I don't know what I think about that. I mean, I reposted some of my stuff too. Just don't follow on X. No, I love Cove Trader too. Yeah, some of the rules do make you a disciplined trader. And when I was trading back in Stoner's always donating in poker. I didn't know you guys were playing poker. You guys playing poker on Cove Trader? I guess I missed it. Yes, full-time trader ERF, full-time trader and YouTuber now, so. But yeah, I was full-time trader before I started YouTube. Yeah, trading on capital, especially in these markets, can be really nerve-wracking for sure, CC. My thing is like really, like if you can't get to a payout with a prop firm, then, and I know they have, some of them have intraday trailing drawdowns and things like that, and they're really small accounts, but it's like, if you can't do that, then you're probably not going to be able to do very well in your personal. That's kind of my thing. I know some of the rules are much tougher, but hey, but like I said, if you can trade your personal account and make money, then do it. Don't mess with the prop firms. I like using both. They're both tools to me. You know, take profit trader. You get past that trailing buffer on a pro account, and yeah, I mean, you can make some. It feels like a personal account. We are really pushing down off the lows here. I'm not paying attention to my trades. This is a nice setup here. Sarami. It actually never highlighted. I don't know why. Pushing the lows now, 454. Really pushing down. If I would have started personal account trading MNQ, I would have been broke. Thankful to prop firm share, yeah. Hey, I had a rough day today. Ace DD, my head is spinning a little. Maybe I'll take it light tomorrow. Yeah, that's the best thing to do, Ace DD. What I do if I have a really tilty day, a nice thing to do is to size down. So maybe half the size that you usually trade, and then build up your confidence that way. You know, build your confidence up for a few days. Because what I tend to do is try to chase my losses from the day before. And that can even make the next day even worse. So. Nutty apparently had a post-stream tilt ordeal. Oh no. Thank you, Brian. I'm always getting cooked in poker. Rules is what you need, yeah. Yo, Discipline Trader, what's up? Going to be with you Monday to Thursday next week. Taking time off from work. We'll change jobs. So excited. Oh, nice, big cat. Good for you, man. Full port pine, 40 MNQ. Props give you a margin you need to trade the minis in the cash account, which most others cannot do. Normally, the props give you the margin you need to trade with many minis in a cash account, which most people either cannot do or are unwilling to risk, which is a great thing. 2 micro short, nice, 560 and holding. All right, caught up on the chat. 560 short, nice, Alfred. Nice 110 points there. Really pushing down. Apparently there was some sort of news, which I'm not surprised. Some sort of Mexico tariff news from what I hear. We check the Trader Hub. Nothing marked red, but definitely still tariff talks. But yeah, sanctions on Mexico over water treaty. A couple things like that. But yeah, that's what I like to design knob is that like take profit trader, like when I made that 10K that last Friday, I was in 3 minis. And that account cost me $119, guys. You can't do that on a personal account. You can't put $119 and trade 3 minis. So that's the game I like to play. Trump, Duffy, and staff to make announcements shortly. Okay, so we have some headlines that possibly going to be coming out. You're looking for 350, Alfred? And wow, what a nice trade. Just ran a mini from 510 to 460 in my beneficial eval. Oh, nice, Grant. You want a starter account? Or you're gonna have that thing passed in no time. That's the thing. That's the nice thing about my funded futures, guys, is that those starter accounts you can pass them in one day, and they're still running that 25% off starter plus accounts, which I blew mine today, which I was not happy. But I did pass a few starter accounts, so, and I passed them in one trade, actually. 3 minis, one trade. In this market, not that hard to do. To pass. To get the points to pass. I mean, not easy to do, but. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys, if you want to join the giveaway. Currently have 86 people for the Moose Race. 87. I just want to thank you guys for 1,000 subs. Also an exciting day. We're celebrating the 1,000 subs, and we're also celebrating, after 5 tries, getting a Take Profit Trader code for my channel. Use code PINE, all caps, PINE. Take Profit Trader. And if you guys buy one, let me know. So see if it actually works. Be curious to see if it works. And one of the best deals that Take Profit Trader has right now is the 30% off and no activation fees. So $119 all in on Take Profit Trader on a 50K, which is one of the best deals that they have all season. So don't know, it's been going on for a little while now. Don't know how much longer it's gonna last, but if you guys are, you know, pretty confident trader, take that Take Profit Trader for a ride, especially in this market. Get a funded account. Like last Friday, I made 10K. So you haven't made a video about it. Pine Tree Trader here. 10K on Take Profit Pro account. Bingo. On a 25K account too, guys. Which I actually like, and I just kind of stole that from Methodical Man. I started trading those 25K accounts, and I like them. It's easier to pass, and get past that trailing drawdown even quicker. You know, don't have as much drawdown, but you can do it. All right, we got 90 tickets for the Moose Race. You guys ever notice when I do a giveaway that Methodical Man's always number one? Have you guys ever noticed that? He was this morning too. He was right on it. Number one. Jeez, probably didn't take the short. Yeah, I know. That was a nice setup right there, huh? 504. Kind of thinking I want to take the long here, but I feel like it's a trap. If we push up through here. Jay, didn't if I answered you. I probably. So alright, so probably missed it, Jay. So if you have a 25k TPT eval, you just get the 1500 and it starts over. No consistency then. Yes, Jay. So once you become funded with Take Profit Trader, there's no consistency rule. So yeah, no consistency rule. You make $10,000 on day one. You get $10,000. Well, it goes to your pro account. They'll lock you out like they did me. But yeah, you go to a pro account, $10,000, and you can take out half of it, $5,000, even on day one, once you're funded. Oh no, QQ, just realized you've been trading a sim account. I have 2 Top Step XFAs. Once I receive the payout, I'm grabbing 1 or 2 evals under your code. Oh, appreciate that, Big Cat. Appreciate you guys help support the channel. Keeps my ass motivated to sit in this chair. Because to be honest with you guys, I don't make a whole lot with affiliates yet. I'm still a small YouTuber. I'm probably making 30 bucks a day, maybe 40, 50 bucks a day. Upwards of maybe $70 a day if it's a really good day, like when Apex is running a sale or something, Bulanox. But yeah, I don't really make a lot, so trading is how I make my living. So trying to stream and trade and things, it's kind of difficult sometimes, so keeps me motivated. I like hanging out with you guys, especially the nighttime sessions. Pretty awesome. I like to talk about the day, how the day went. How are you trading numbers prior to the increased volatility? Taking that 5-minute Harami. I was thinking about taking this 5-minute Harami, but boy, that was a big push down. Very bearish. And as you see, we're trapping so far. My stop would have went below the low here, and then yeah, we already got stopped out. So thankfully I did not take that. So it's good that I'm reading the chat. I really like this one. I really like this one here. The rejection off the VWAP, putting the Rami with a flush. Obviously in hindsight, but this one I feel like we pushed lower. 398s to 352s. We have a big gap. Cornelia long right now. Oof. Sorry. I want a gay moose. I meant a happy moose. Very dirty minds. Evening Pine. Mark can give us any looks tonight. We've taken 1 trade, to be honest with you, for 20 points. And we have not got an inside bar. I like to trade that first inside bar of the session. Not one. Yeah, we are just pushing down here. What's a moose race? So the moose race, have you ever seen Nutty or Cove do the duck race? We do the moose race. Just because I'm from Maine, and that's what we do. So this is the moose race here. So in about 30 minutes, I'm gonna put all the names in the moose race, and we're gonna race them. And whoever wins will win $30 in cash. Henry, take profit dashboard updates pretty late for me on the East Coast. Lately it's been updating around 10 p.m. Yes, Cornell. So they do have a drawdown and buffer. So on a 50K account, it's $2,000. So once you get past the $2,000, it becomes static. And then anything over $2,000, once you're funded on a 50K account, you can take a daily payout. So I don't care if you made $52,100, you can take $100 and put it in your TPT wallet. So yeah, pretty sweet. The next day you make $50, you can take $50 out, put it in your TPT wallet. Then once your wallet is over like $150 or whatever, then you don't have to pay a fee. Then you can take whatever's in your take profit trader wallet and put it right in your bank account. Or you can buy a new account, so whatever, reset accounts if you wanted to, but you can take that wallet, put it straight into your bank account, just like that. It's pretty awesome. It's my favorite prop firm, to be honest with you guys. My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, Apex, Beelanox, Tradeify, they're my top prop firms. But Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, probably my favorites. Top Step's right up there too, unless they end up going consistency with their XFAs, which will be a shame. Yeah, Cornell, so what happens is you get a credit. So if you use my code PINE, there'll be a credit on the activation. So when you activate, if you pass your evaluation and you get a pro account, you'll have a credit down there, and you just use the credit and you're good. Five-minute Harami form, Trev. Read me, Mr. Read me 5-minute Harami. Yeah, so it's been about usually around 10, 11 o'clock that night is when mine's been updating. Design knob. But yeah, they have been a little slow with their dashboards. They're getting very popular. Very popular, so yeah, smash the like button for me, guys, if you guys don't mind. JC Trades, nice flash. How did you deal with losing 20K in your capital? So I ended up going back to work, CC. Yeah, went back to work, and yeah, I just never stopped. I think that's the key when it comes to trading futures is just you have to be stubborn and can't stop. Keep your expenses as low as possible. Do whatever you can to get more evaluations or whatever you have to do. I mean, I've done DoorDash, I've done all that stuff to buy more evaluations in the past, and just never stopped. It sucks losing that much money. How do I enter monetary Mo on Tradeivate? You just buy market, sell market. You can close here, or you can just go on the DOM, do a limit order, buy or whatever, or sell. Hey, Skillstad, thank you. Darcy, thank you for the sub. Eagle Eyes, thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support, guys. Japan Prime Minister, important to pursue diplomatic efforts on U.S. tariffs. So more headlines coming out, guys. Thank you, Dan. More headlines coming out. Looks like we sell every pop. Who has the most points? Let's look and see who has the most points. Loyalty. You're right up there, Dell. So we got Terry trades 100. We got Stone, Mo Lester. I'm trading with Travis. Trades with Jess and myself. At the top for the points. You get more points when you donate to the chat stuff, the super chat. So that's why. Terry's donated a lot of money to the chat. She doesn't watch me as like you've watched me pretty much the most. Let's check out the hours. Amelia, John, Woodchip, Coach Fred, Zabak, Stone, Vince, Honest Take, Yo Jim, Nate, Stargazer Lily, Alfred, Dylan, Josh, Trev, Dan, Brian Overcast, and Newt's Big Boots for the most watched hours. Appreciate that, guys. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're going to do a moose giveaway. Do we take this long here, or do we take the break of this? We'll do it for the stream. So I'm going to take this break of this inside bar here. I usually take the first inside bar break. Look for a little scalp here. So this is a little mechanical strat that I've been kind of testing. Usually it doesn't happen this late in the session though, which makes me a little nervous. So we'll see what happens. Just gonna risk 10 points, 200 bucks. Currently up 415 on this account. So we'll look for the little break here. See what happens. Take Profit Trader is getting super popular, Ace DD. So they're a little bit slow on their dashboard. Eagle Eyes, thank you for the sub. I think I said that. I have the highest hours. You're right up there, Dell. Hey, thank you for the sub. I want to say Jorge, but Jorge. Sorry. Probably messed up your name. Appreciate that. Dell, you're loyal. I think the Rami candle wasn't highlighted because it looked bearish. It was a green candle, so the algo ignored it. Oh, okay. Yeah, Ed. Yeah, I was kind of curious. It's all good. All right, so when we have two consecutive inside bars, I like to take the first one. I've noticed. Do some back testing. We are super bearish though, so I feel like this could be a little trap, but we'll see. Short side I would like to. I think we could take out the low, probably even push down to 350s. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Honorable mention, nice Brian, yes. My loyal peeps. Trying to set up alerts so I can wake up in the middle of the night and take a trade at London Open. Ooh, Stone. Where you're on the East Coast, Stone? It's tough. Tough to do. trade that London. Sometimes I'm awake then, but how many is max viewers at once? We had a big stream once. It was crazy. I can take a look though. We had a lot of views last night too. Or 2 nights ago. No, last night. We had a lot of views. But I'm not sure of the consecutive views, but we had February 2nd, we had 1,264 total views. And then February 4th, we had 1,208 views back to back, which was kind of crazy. Consecutive views, don't really know, but this has got to be up there. We have what, 160 people watching right now? I know we haven't cracked 200, so if we ever crack 200, then you know it's a record. We are trading NASDAQ NQ on Take Profit Trader prop firm. So futures, this is a futures. It's 3 a.m. but there's a golden entry every morning at 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Stone. Maybe you can program something for it, Stone, some sort of bot to take it. That way you don't have to wake up. Did I make 5K? No. I'm bearish because there's a big gap down here, and the overall market is pretty bearish. So I don't really try to have too much of a bias when I'm trading. Bilal, I'm more of a bar-to-bar type trader. If I'm looking for, sometimes in my discretion, then yeah, I'll be like, oh, I'm short, biased, or bearish. But overall, we kind of came back down into this gap here, and I don't know if it was quite 50%, but it kind of looks like we were at 50%, but we'll see. This is very mechanical, inside bar, very brainless stuff, and I'm looking for the break. And I'm just looking for 10 points to take profit, 10 point stop loss on this evaluation only. So it's something I've been kind of forward testing for a while. Very mechanical. Just something I noticed one day. No one bought the stream, please. Gee. On this trade here, so let's look at what happened on this trade. We swept below this Harami candle, pushed back up, and started to reverse, and plus broke this flag. And so I took the long here, bounced off the VWAP, and then I just took profit. The highs were right here at the time, so I ended up taking profit at the highs. Not too bad of a cover. We could have got a little more points, but yeah, we're still inside the gap. Yep. Yeah, I don't know. We've got 3 inside bars in a row. This is very rare. but we're just gonna take the first one. Heck with it. Hey, this is more of an experiment now. Very rare that you see this. Very rare. If we see a fourth one, then I don't know what to say. If you see a fourth one, I'm gonna say let's just do the moose race. Cause it looks like we're like frozen in time right now. You're extreme ADHD and can't barely sleep. Yeah, yeah, I'm kind of like that too, Eric. Working out to exhaustion is pretty much how I sleep. The spread on the minis is crazy. Yeah, it is right now. It is, Fred. I probably should do it with the micros. Yeah, you know what, Fred? That's a good idea, actually. Alright, I'm do it with the micros. Actually didn't put it in a third. It's a low here. Low. 383. I'm gonna do it with micros. Do 10 minis. High. 36. 5. Spread is crazy. That's a good call, Fred. Let's try that. Much tighter spread on the MNQ tonight. NQ, really widespread. That's what she said. Do you see the 3M candle either up and down? Usually nice trend for a bit. Yeah, so the 3 a.m. candle, Amelia, this is something, and Stone, I know you're probably talking about. I've been looking at this for the past few weeks in the morning. And yeah, there is definitely something to that 3 a.m. London Open trend that's been happening. It happened consecutive days, like 5 consecutive days, where it kind of picked a direction and just stuck with it, like for a long time. It is a bit of a bear flag, G. Getting close to start passing the startup plus, Fred, with the best code, right, Pine? The luckiest code, I mean. Looks like she's getting ready for the squeeze for Trump talk. Oh yeah, we have Trump speaking too, right? Hey Josh, what's happening, buddy? Good to see you. So consolidation, am I waiting for manipulation and then enter upon entry of the support or resistance? So yeah, I'm just waiting. No, I'm waiting for the break, the inside bar. Not rocket science. Literally just waiting for the break. I'd like to take that first inside bar of the session, and we've had to wait an hour and a half to get it, and now it doesn't want to even break. So this is, I don't even know what to say. This is, what is this? Another one? This is amazing. So we're seeing 17 to 1800 point moves in the NASDAQ, and now we're getting 4 inside bars consecutively. I've never really seen this. So I don't know if this trade's gonna work. I would not take it. Like, don't copy my trades. I'm gonna take it anyway for an experiment, but I've never really seen that before. So about 15 minutes, we're gonna do a moose race. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. 3 a.m. boner algo, yeah. I've looked at it a lot, have even said I'm going to get up early and trade London one of these days, but I haven't done it yet. I know. I just can't. Did I see a DM? No. I don't get notifications on my phone or anything. But I'll check it out, Eric. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure, Eric. Crazy out of the woods, huh? Well, we're not gonna get a fifth. We're not gonna get a fifth. We just broke that. But yeah, we are just sitting here. Inside bar party, Trump market. Does Take Profit Trader have an intraday maximum drawdown? Yeah, Beanstalk. So it's end of the day. Take Profit Trader is end of day when you for the evaluations, but then it goes intraday for the pro account. Intraday. So $1,500, 25K, $2,000 for 50K Beanstalk. Hey Josh, did you see? It took me 5 tries in 3 months to get a Take Profit Trader code finally. Unbelievable, huh? Pretty awesome though. I'm pretty psyched. Give it a minute, it'll move 250 points. You're not wrong. Yeah, buddy. Feel like it's gonna dump, G. It's just building up some pressure. Tornado alarms by you, Dan. Yeah, so Stargazer said there was a massive storm by her. I don't know if you guys are in the same neck of the woods, but yeah, some wild weather. Stay safe, Dan. Hope you're not out door dashing or sparking. Stone is cheating, trying to get more points. It's all rigged. Oh, you're on a tornado alert too, Josh. Hope you guys stay safe. Hope all is well. Yeah, Josh. Get on it. All right, guys. That is an inside bar on the 15-minute too. Did you just break it? Low 3. A pour low on the inside 15-minute bars. So just looking for a 10-point scalp. This is something I've been forward testing. Say we're gonna get short here. There's a short. And come on. There's the 10 points. So $200 play right there off the first inside bar of the session. 10 points. Could go lower. I think we could get down here 350s, but that's just a little scalp play that I'll play sometimes during the market reopen, the Asia markets, the Globex markets, whatever. Hi, Amelia. Oh, Trades with Jess is back in the house. Coming back for the giveaway. So we're gonna do the moose raise here in 10 minutes, guys. If you guys wanna join the giveaway, I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subs and using my code PINE for Beelinox, Apex, and Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures. Appreciate you guys been using my code. Tradeify too, yes. So Tradeify, I don't have a code. They won't give me one yet, but you have to use my link, and then use the default code, which is spring. There's the flush. Pine, all caps, P-I-N-E. But you gotta use my link first. So P-I-N-E, $119 all in on a 50K, no activation fees, 30% off, and yeah, daily payouts, guys. I know Josh, Alfred, Jess, trades with Jess, been slaying the Take Profit Trader. But yeah, I appreciate the support, Beanstalk. Really appreciate the support in my small channel. You could be the first one to use it, Beanstalk. Let me know if it works. I don't think anyone's used it yet. Thanks, Beanstalk. Yeah, no one's used my Take Profit Trader. I just got it today, this afternoon. No one's used it yet, but I definitely know that you guys will. Oh, nice work, Eric. Eric used my Tradeify link the other yesterday, I think, or today. A few days ago. Methodical Man used it today too. So if I get some more sales with Tradeify, then I'll be able to get a custom code. So you can just use code PINE too. We are really pushing down now. 18,300. Really pushing down. Yes. Eric used it. If you guys want to join the Discord here, I'm gonna put the link in the chat. Let's see. Invite people. We're gonna do the giveaway here soon. Exclamation point PINE in the chat. PayPal at Cash App. Thank you guys for 1,000 subs. Thank you for the support. We just got 1,000 subs, and yeah, pretty awesome. Let's see. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's completely free. I'm starting to grow a pretty good community in the Discord. If you want to join up, so you can use that link right there, the link. Oh, they counted it for tomorrow already? Huh, that's weird. We are really pushing down. Makes you not want to just took that little scalp. That's actually a nice little flag break. Someone mentioned in the chat. Kind of shallow one, but it's kind of very similar to the setup I talked about earlier on Twitter. But nice play there. Thank you, Eli, for joining the Discord. Oh, let me see here. Huh, it's already updating. That's weird. Yeah, for Friday. That is weird. Huh, that's strange. Maybe their dashboard is going to be updating sooner. Like Top Step's working on instant dashboard stuff. Oh, the journal. So it does. So Amelia says the journal does update kind of in real time now. Oh, Ebenar, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Appreciate all the subs, guys. If you guys are new, and I missed you in the chat, appreciate the subs. Thank you, Janks. So just a few minutes here. I'm gonna close the giveaway. So ! Pine in the chat to do the moose race. We got 106 tickets. $30 cash giveaway, PayPal or Cash App. I'm gonna close it here at 8 p.m. and then we're gonna do the moose race. 8 p.m. Eastern. So just a few minutes. Please be here for the moose race and the giveaway. If you guys are not here, unless it's someone I personally know that I've known for a long time in the Discord or something, then we'll rerun it again. But we've had a lot of new subs, so if one of the newbies or something is not here, we'll rerun it. But if it's someone like Josh or something that I've known for a while, or Coach Fred, then we'll go from there. Stargazer. I don't know if it has Eddie. I don't think so. Usually about 10 o'clock Eastern time it updates for me. Now we're ripping higher. What a bounce. What a bounce. Happy to be done for the day. Week. Happy to be done for the week with all my trading. Nice, Josh. It's always a good feeling. Oh no, you got a sinus infection? Damn. Yeah, those are the worst. What helps me the best with the sinus infections is saline spray. I used to get sinus infections all the time, so like the saline. Simply saline. Usually helps pretty good. Got the Z-Pack. Nice. Hey Kevin, what's going on? Double O Kevin in the house. Afrin, yeah, Afrin works good too. Yep. You haven't got one since you were a kid. I know, I used to get them all the time when I was younger. Yeah, I hope you feel better too, man. It's tough to trade when you're sick too. Yeah, I was the same way, Josh. I used to get sinus infections all the time. Oh yeah, your tonsils out? Oh wow. I never did, but... Traded 007 a year. Once you get those out, you're good. Nice. Yeah, I remember like going on all kinds of antibiotics and all kinds of stuff. All right, 8 p.m. guys. Last call. ! Pine. I'm gonna close the giveaways. I'll give you guys 1 minute. If you haven't gotten it in, I'm gonna do the moose race. Last call. And do me a favor and smash the like button too for me, guys. All right. All right, I'm gonna close the giveaway here. Update it. All right. Close entries. And all right, let me set up the moose race here. We have a lot of entries today. All right, copy. Market's tanking, guys. Okay, matches up. Market's really coming down here, but we're not gonna FOMO. We're gonna do the moose race here. Set this 116 names, and here we go. Oh, nice, Alfred. Still holding you short from 560. That's amazing. All right. Got Volatility Viper here, coming up from the inside here. It's a little hard to see the names with the antlers, but it's still fun. You'll be able to see the winner. All right, I see visible ID in there. There's a lot of names on here. Eric Lake sitting back there. That is a herd of moose. All right, someone's gonna make a push here. Eric Lake taking the lead. Oh, Josh. Josh. Nice, Josh. Hey, Josh is sick. He comes in. One of our loyal followers. One of our first followers. Nice, Josh. How do I shut this off? Alright. Alright, hey Josh, I'm gonna hit you up on Discord, is that alright? Be a little easier. That way I know it's you. Congratulations, Josh. Alright, send you a DM, Josh. Congrats, man. Hey, You didn't feel good today? I'm gonna send you $30 for Afrin. Carlos, you just got home? Oh, sorry, man. Alright, just hit you up on Discord, Josh. You can just hop on there, let me know. There you go. Let me, it's your PayPal? Alright, let me do that right now. What a flush down, guys. The market's really moving. Pretty awesome. Sorry I didn't really do that much trading. We made 2 trades. We're up 610 bucks on this Take Profit Pro eval. I'll get back to the chat in a minute. Thank you guys for the 1,000 subs. Thank you guys for using my code PINE. I try to give away, cash back to you guys as much as I can. I don't get the free accounts like some of the other big time streamers yet, but if you guys use my code PINE for Take Profit Trader, then I will earn enough for free accounts. Alright, Josh, I sent it. Let me know you got it. Appreciate you. Yeah, no problem, Josh. Sweet. I'm glad it went. I'm happy you won. Loyal follower. It is happening fast, Josh. Appreciate that, man. I DM'd him on his MySpace. That's right. Thank you, Trader007. Thank you, Donna. So that was fun. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it there tonight, guys. So I usually take Fridays off to trade myself and give myself a mental break, but I will be back Sunday night. Sunday night, guys, I will be back for sure. So appreciate you guys stopping in, hanging out. Thank you for the 1,000 subs. Use my code PINE, My Funded Futures, Buellanox, Apex, and Take Profit Trader now, guys. Help support my small channel. And trade safe the rest of the night. Trade safe tomorrow. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow what I'm doing. But yeah, I'll see you guys Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And for the market reopen, for the new week open. So I appreciate the love, guys. Smash the like button on your way out. Let the YouTube algorithms know that we are around. So Mark, yeah, 6 p.m. Eastern time, and usually market open 9:30 Eastern time. Smash the notification bell. But tomorrow I take Fridays off. I usually take Fridays off, Mark, but appreciate the new sub too, Mark. All right, Fife. Thanks, buddy. All right, guys. Peace. You too, Eric.